The 2000 Mercedes-Benz SLK Class. You might say it all started on the finish line. We won't be telling those still at the start line. Choose the Mercedes SLK Class. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.